Brands, brands! Everything in the world is a brand!
Everything!
Well, we have to decide what our brand will be.
Dear Ping Pong, we're going to brand history.
History? With what brand, Marco?
Follow me and you'll see. It's a place where they make t-shirts as customers want them. There!
Heavens! It's perfect for what we want!
Imagine, we buy white t-shirts. Ping Pong designs the motifs. You and I print them, place our brand, and we sell them in several places.
Let's hope it works. We'll compete with very famous brands.
But each can have its own space.
Famous brands already have it.
Our t-shirts will be unique.
We will earn our space!
Have you heard the latest on Vandalus? He copies the style of famous brands and sells his products as if they were originals.
Vandalus is a crook!
We'll show him that one can win honestly.
With hard work and our own brand.
Speaking of, here comes Julie! Hey guys, I went to the brand registry office. The brand is any symbol that helps distinguish a person or company's products and services from others in the market. A brand can be a word, figure, a three-dimensional shape, a sound. The goal is to distinguish that person's or company's product so it's not confused with others.
If people can identify the product they want, they can ask for it.
Exactly. And the entrepreneur can also offer it and advertise it. That's clear!
Totally clear.
If the product is well received, people will recognize the brand, and this will make it better known and increase its value. With the brand, you can create an image and a style for the product. Without a brand, nobody could recognize the product or service.
It's a delicious chocolate, but I can't remember the brand.
Wow, it's really important to have a brand. Wait a minute. What if somebody copies our brand?
That is forbidden. Brands must be special and different to existing ones. They must be used to help identify, not confuse.
But what would happen if they copy or imitate us?
We denounce them to the corresponding authority so they enforce the law. In order to protect your brand, you must first register it.
And what if I didn't register it?
It will be difficult for you to protect it. Registration makes you the owner of the brand. Turns you into the owner.
Into the only person authorized to use it.
Is it valid forever?
Registration lasts 10 years and can be renewed over and over again. We should create our own brand and register it immediately.
Immediately.
Everybody say words that customers might like, and we choose the best one. We should keep in mind that customers are going to associate the word with the product.
What do you think of Bama Chupin?
Bama Chupin?
By Babby, Marco, Chuli, and Ping Pong.
It sounds like medicine. What about Reebok?
Like Reebok, the brand on TV.
Yes! It has worldwide recognition!
Did you forget that we couldn't use a registered brand?
Oh, I'm sorry. Unless we have the owner's permission.
Can we get permission?
Having a brand is like having a car. It's something that people can buy from you, or they can use it for some time if they pay what you settled on.
And can we put whatever price we want?
That depends on the brand's market value. That is why prestige is important, remember?
Friends, we have to choose our brand.
What do you think of Chuli Lopez?
No! Julie Lopez is my name. It's my brand. I own it and do not authorize it.
What about To Live? To live, clothes that suit you. To live, comfortable clothes. To live, I use to live.
I like to live.
To live, with its registered R.
That's it. It should be drawn and registered. Depending on the legislation of each country, different things can be forbidden when registering a brand. For more information, contact the trademark office in your area.
Our designs will be To Live. What if someone comes out with To Live Sweets, for example?
You can do it, because it's a different product that bears no relation to our t-shirts. There is no risk of confusion when it's products that have no relation to each other. For example, cookies and cars. Different products are ordered in different classes.
Who establishes the classes?
Product classes are explained in NICE's International Classification. This is our application. And stamp the copy for me, please. All right. And now? We must publish the application in the media they tell us. Why? So that any person that objects to our brand can inform the registry. And if no one objects to it, then the office is certain that the application is good. Our product has a registered brand.
People identify it and ask for it.
Because of our hard work, our brand has gained prestige, with which
We all win!